At Cylus, we believe that all we need to do is basically find the best people and then let them express themselves, let them have an environment of independence. We really try to create a development process which lets people express themselves on a daily basis.
Rail cybersecurity is a fascinating field. It's an unmapped territory in cybersecurity with new and interesting challenges. We need to deal with a lot of new information in a very short time. We support different actors and customers from all around the world. Each one of them has different products and different protocols that we need to capture and analyze and give them the best insights about our network.
Innovation Week is about getting people involved. We encourage our team members to pick the projects and bring their ideas to the table.
So we try to involve our developers in every step of the process, especially our planning phases, and to make them engage with the goals of the company.
I think that the intellectual challenge that we are facing here at Cylus is not only to search the known thing that we see in everyday network, it's also to search for the unknown that we never seen.
Our people are the most valuable asset we have, and we constantly invest in them.
When I was looking for my first job, I was looking for a small startup where I could put some great impact with a great atmosphere and good people, and the Cylus was the right place for me.
It's more than a workplace, it's actually some kind of community.
The people, the challenges, the atmosphere, the food.
Cylus is a hybrid work environment, which means we work part-time from home and part-time from the office. It's a really nice combination because you get to have, the social life of working in the office. We meet for breakfast, we go to lunch together, we go out to have beers later. We have a lot of fun together.
What makes us a great team is also the fact that we're all friends, and our relationships really help us make the best of the work we do here. I feel like I'm always stepping up and learning new things and feeling challenged. It's a great thing for me.